You, as young people within the school system, within the education system, are targeted by normalization programs. Programs like Solutions Not Sides. Programs like Forum for Discussion of Israel and Palestine. Other organizations too are funded by the British Foreign Office, are funded by the British government, and are also funded by the same people that fund settlements, by the same people that fund the Friends of the IDF, by the same people that fund Care Starmer. You will have these organizations come into the school and ask you to meet with former Israeli soldiers. This will happen. It happened in 2021 when students were expelled for standing with Palestine, when students were suspended for standing with Palestine, and it will happen now again. People will be expelled, people will be reported to prevent, and these normalization programs will come into the schools. Read up on these programs, research these programs, look at who the employees of these programs are, gather your forces, collect signatures from parents, students, teachers even, and refuse these programs. Because what they are aimed at doing is turning out this fire. They are about cancelling your aversion to seeing mass human suffering. We must defeat the normalization push in the schools if the next generations have any hope of being able to effectively organize to challenge what Israel does in this country. Let's not forget that the Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak, his family company, Infosys, not only has several Israeli subsidiaries with hundreds of employees within the Zionist entity, it also formerly had a director by the name of Yuri Levine, who came out of Unit 8200 in the Israeli military intelligence. You have seen a complete integration of British intelligence and Israeli intelligence across the last few decades, and it has intensified across the last 5 years. Read, study, inform yourself, be aware, because you are a target population. This is for Palestine, Ramallah, West Bank, Gaza. This is for the child that is searching for an answer. Wish I could take your tears and replace them with laughter. Long live Palestine!
Long live Gaza!
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 Keep fighting, keep resisting, keep pushing, and keep learning. Thank you.